How to withdraw money from SHEIN Wallet. Now, if you're gonna be using the application via the Google Play Store, you gotta make sure or ensure that you're currently running the latest version of SHEIN on your phone. Just heading directly to wherever you have downloaded the app and make sure that the update button is not visible. If it is, just simply tap on that and it will automatically do the magic by itself. Again, the process is going to be the same thing whether you're going to be using your phone or from your laptop or PC. Now, once on your Shein's site, all you have to do is just to locate this profile icon right here. While on your mobile phone, it is actually indicated as a Me tab. It is usually located at the lower right portion of your screen. Simply click on that or tap on that on your phone, and then you will be redirected to your personal center profile. While if you're going to be using your laptop or PC, my wallet is usually located at my assets tab. So there are options here like my coupons, my points, my wallet, and gift card. So head directly to my wallet and you will be redirected to your current balance or points that you have on your wallet. So there is no withdraw button on my screen right now because I haven't set up any payment methods that I have on my Shein account. So you just gotta ensure that you do have any payment methods on my payment options right here, whether it's your card or any e-wallet available that you can sync directly from Shein account. Cashing out is very easy. All I have to do is go to my wallet and then just simply input the specific amount on how much you would like to withdraw from your My Shein wallet. And that's it. That's how you withdraw money from my wallet on Shein.